Rescue operation in Uttarkashi Silkyara tunnel has now entered day 13. The rescue operation at the tunnel was paused again due to a technical snag in the auger drilling machine last night. The platform on which the equipment is mounted developed some cracks when the rescue operation was in its final stage. This has thankfully been fixed now. Operations have resumed. A drone is also being used now to monitor the traffickers and the rescue operations. Focus is returned to remove the new hurdles in construction of the rescue tunnel. As per experts, efforts are underway to reach the 41 traffickers, and the rescue team is still 14 meters away from finding a passage to have the workers back after drilling 46 meters there. Manual drilling machines have also been brought now to the spot to aid rescue workers in the drilling operations.
लगातार जो हम काम कर रहे हैं उसमें अड़चने कई न कई स्वरूपों में हमारे सामने आई हैं। अब जैसे पाइप के अंदर छोटे एक पाइप का फंस जाना, उसका गोल घूम करके ऑगर को फंसा देना, या पाइप के मुंह पर लेटिस गर्डर का आकर के हमारे काम को रोक देना, या हमारी मशीन के फाउंडेशन को थोड़ा सा वीक हो जाना। ये छोटे मोटे उदाहरण हैं जिनकी वजह से हमें काम में बाधा मिली, लेकिन मैं ये कह सकता हूँ बिल्कुल सकारात्मकता के साथ कि अगर चुनौतियां मिली हैं, अगर बाधाएं आई हैं, तो हमने उनको जीता भी है और हमने उनको अतिक्रम करके आज ये स्थिति पाई है कि इस समय जब हम यहाँ पर खड़े हैं, हम ये कह सकते हैं कि आज 11:30 बजे तक हम अपना नॉर्मल ड्रिलिंग का ऑपरेशन जो कल कर रहे थे वो आज शुरू कर पाएंगे।
दरअसल सिर्फ उन 11 लोगों के परिवार नहीं, करोड़ों हिंदुस्तानी आपको देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, और उनके मन में एक सवाल होगा कि क्या वो घड़ी कब आएगी जब वो 41 लोग बाहर आएंगे।
मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि शाम 6 बजे तक हमें वो शुभ समाचार सभी को देने का एक अवसर आएगा।
मैं आपको इतना आश्वासन देता हूं कि अगर कोई अड़चन नहीं आई इसके अंदर, ऑगर जो है अपने स्पीड पे चलता रहा 4 से 5 मीटर पर घंटा, और उसके अंदर जो है पाइप्स को लगा, ड्रम्स जो है हमारे पाइप्स जो है उनको लगा कर वेल्डिंग करते रहे हम, जिसमें 3 से 4 घंटे लगते हैं हर पाइप को लगाने में। तो आप समझिए शायद कल दिन में किसी वक्त आपको खुशखबरी मिल सकती है, मगर मैं अंदेशा सब कहता हूं कि देखिए अभी आपके रास्ते में कम से कम 2 दफे 3 दफे और ये अड़चन आएगी।
The vertical drilling is all prepared, as in all the sites prepared, the access roads prepared, everything's prepared, and a decision's being taken shortly about what to do with the vertical drilling. But all of the different access routes, they affect each other. So while we're doing augering, we have to be very careful, and that includes being careful about vertical drilling. So we're ready for vertical drilling. It's just a question of when the decision's made whether to do it or not to do it.
Amit continues to be with us for the very latest details on that. Amit, what we've seen so far is that unexpected sort of hurdles in fact halted the rescue operation, which has now resumed, restarted. Just explain to us what exactly is happening as we speak.
Well, Sneha, you know, the main important operation which is going on is getting rid of the pipeline which was damaged. Now, for our viewers' understanding, what is happening is this is 800 mm diameter pipeline which is being through which a rescue tunnel is being created. What happened was because of the tremors, the movement within the debris which is there, these pipelines, 2 meters of the pipeline had gotten, damaged. And now you cannot go further with the drilling unless that damaged part is removed. Now, is that easy? It's not, because we are already in depth of nearly 48 meters by the time it got damaged. The load of the debris, the pressure of the debris was quite high on that particular part of the pipeline which was damaged. So there's no way that you can, just cut it out through machines, or easily someone will go inside and get rid of that particular 2 meters of pipeline. Hence, in very small chunks, small pieces, this particular part of the pipeline is being cut, and once that process gets over, the auger machine will go inside the tunnel, and then the drilling work will begin. Now, this sounds really might sound really simple to us, but it's really complicated method. as well as a tough job for the NDRF Jawans or the other people, workers involved in this entire process. But let's be sure that once that American auger machine goes inside the rescue tunnel for the next 5 meters, that is, if we are standing at a mark of 46 right now, so for the next 5 meters, though there is no metal hurdle, for that GPR scanning has been already done, which has shown the results that there are no iron rods or heavy machineries on the way for the next 5 meters, which means that this auger machine can go ahead with the drilling for 5 meters without facing any hurdle. We never know what's going to happen, but that's we can hope for the best, and that is that the journey between 46 to 51 meters should be smooth henceforth. And after that, again, agencies might consider going ahead with the scanning or going ahead with the drilling. That is to be seen. But that journey of 5 meters will be covered after the drilling work begins, after the auger machine goes inside the rescue tunnel. The other aspect is that, can we go with full throttle, full speed right now? Now, that's not a possibility because the auger machine has already covered a big length by now, almost 46 meters. So if you go for next 5 meters, 50 meters plus will be the length which will be covered by auger machine. And this is a iron pipeline that you have in the place as a rescue tunnel. So if we go in full throttle, there's a possibility of tremors, the debris coming down, more landslides happening within the tunnel, and that will damage the entire rescue pipeline and the work which has been put up by central agencies, international experts and other agencies which has been involved in the rescue operation. So all that work goes to vain. So hence, in a very calculated manner, strategic manner, the drilling work will go at a slower pace, and even the movement tremors are being monitored by a team of experts right now, so that in case because of the machine there is a lot of tremor, there are threats of more debris or landslides of sort, mini landslides of sort happening around the area where the rescue tunnel is being constructed right now. The work could be further slowed down. So but let's be sure, the good part in this particular thing is that once the drilling begins, what awaits the agencies on the other side is no metal obstruction for 5 meters, and the kind of debris which is there does not have heavy boulders, so and the rescuing agencies have already monitored the surface of the debris which is on the other side. So drilling work should be easier after the drilling begins, when the auger machine is all set to go ahead with the drilling.
Right.
Sneha.